Let's review the project status. Let's review the project status. Use this when discussing the current progress of a project. The project is on schedule. The project is on schedule. Use this when the project is progressing as planned. We've completed the first phase. We've completed the first phase. Use this when announcing the completion of a project stage. The deadline is next Friday. The deadline is next Friday. Use this when reminding your team about an upcoming deadline. We need to finish this task today. We need to finish this task today. Use this when emphasizing an urgent task. I'll provide an update tomorrow. I'll provide an update tomorrow. Use this when promising to share progress later. We've completed 80% of the work. We've completed 80% of the work. Use this when reporting project progress. Let's assign the remaining tasks. Let's assign the remaining tasks. Use this when distributing unfinished work among the team. We need to prioritize this project. We need to prioritize this project. Use this when deciding which project should receive attention first. The client approved the proposal. The client approved the proposal. Use this when informing your team that the client accepted the plan. We're waiting for the client's feedback. We're waiting for the client's feedback. Use this when the next step depends on the client's response. Let's schedule a follow-up meeting. Let's schedule a follow-up meeting. Use this when planning the next discussion. I'll update the project timeline. I'll update the project timeline. Use this when revising the project schedule. We've identified a potential risk. We've identified a potential risk. Use this when discussing a possible project issue. Let's work on the highest priority first. Let's work on the highest priority first. Use this when deciding the order of tasks. The project is moving in the right direction. The project is moving in the right direction. Use this when giving a positive progress update. I'll coordinate with the team. I'll coordinate with the team. Use this when working with colleagues to complete a project. We need everyone's support. We need everyone's support. Use this when encouraging teamwork to achieve a goal. The final report is almost ready. The final report is almost ready. Use this when the project is close to completion. Let's review the action items. Let's review the action items. Use this when discussing tasks after a meeting. Everything is under control. Everything is under control. Use this when reassuring your team that the project is progressing well. Thank you for completing your tasks on time. Thank you for completing your tasks on time. Use this when appreciating your team's punctuality. Let's stay focused until the project is complete. Let's stay focused until the project is complete. Use this when motivating the team near the finish line. The project was completed successfully. The project was completed successfully. Use this when announcing the successful completion of a project. Thank you, everyone, for your excellent teamwork. Thank you, everyone, for your excellent teamwork. Use this when closing a project and recognizing the team's effort.